Merry Christmas, everyone, and soon a Happy New Year to all of you. Well, I thought we're gonna take a stroll to. So, yeah, I have a little bit of update. If you see behind me, you can probably guess what. So, yeah, let's check out the rubber duck and how it's going. As you can see, the frame have finally got some coloring. So I painted it with gloss matte black. I'm not sure how you say it in English, but yeah, it's not shiny, because I think that will fit best on this build, and then the cab will get more shine to it. So yeah, not metallic but more shine, and the frame will just be more down, or how to say. I think it turned out pretty good. Looks really great with the black rims and the scale tires. See if we can turn it around, starting to get a bit heavier. Here we have the backside, got some mud flaps on, just to see how it will look. I know the real one have whites mud flaps, but yeah, I have this lying, so I guess it will have blacks for now, because the movie truck have white, and then I think it's a bulldog and it says Mack down here. You can correct me in the comment if you remember something else. And then I'm gonna put some backlights here. I'm not totally sure how the real Mack truck in the movie has it, so I guess I'm gonna go with one red and one white on both sides, just round. You can also, if you know something else, if you know the real backlights for the convoy truck, please comment. And hopefully I will get this thing to work also, so the engine will turn. And here I need to, it was a bit cold when I painted, so yeah, I'm gonna paint that over with some brush later. But yeah, overall I think it looks really nice. So now I need to take care of the cab, do some groundwork on that, and then paint all that stuff blank. And yeah, in Sweden we call it black, but I'm not sure. I have forgot the English word for it. So yeah, it will be like the original one. Watch the movie if you want to know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's how far I have gotten for right now. It's 3 days until New Year's Eve. So yeah, let's see next year if I have gotten any farther. So yes, that was all for this time. Have a happy new year, everyone, and I see you next year. Goodbye.